Hi everyone, I'm Ishita Tripathi. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are joining me here for the very first time, welcome aboard. And to those of you who are coming back again, thank you so much. Now, before I move on to episode number 7 of How to Not Become an Actor, where I talk about all the mistakes that I have made in my acting career, I want to go back and give my personal opinion on episode number 6. I feel like it's crucially important that we have a really healthy and balanced kind of relationship with food, because just like any other job, this job is also really demanding, physically really demanding, that we have to have a lot of energy to do so many things at work. Till you actually even get to work, you have to be your own director, your own AD, your own stylist, your own editor, all of it. So it's really important that you eat foods that help you be at it. You consume foods that help you stay energized, that help you stay on track, so that even if sometimes you have longer hours, you can sustain them without crashing out. And another thing I want to say is that to not ever take rest for granted, because I feel like sometimes we feel कि ठीक है पहले सारा काम एक साथ कर लेते हैं, उसके बाद रेस्ट करेंगे. बट बाय द टाइम यू डू एवरीथिंग एंड देन फाइनली टेक अ ब्रेथ, तब तक ब्रेथ ही नहीं बचती है. सो इट्स ऑल्सो रियली इम्पॉर्टेंट दैट यू टेक केयर ऑफ योर सेल्फ. अगेन इट्स द सेम थिंग, आई एम रिपीटिंग द सेम थिंग, बट I want to keep reminding this to myself also. Be kind to yourself. Be gentler to yourself. And if you are still connecting the dots and are still confused कि मैं यहाँ पे क्यों बोल रही हूँ, this is your cue to go back and watch episode number 6. And to the rest of you, come, let's watch episode number 7 of How to Not Become an Actor together. In today's episode of How to Not Become an Actor, see auditions as the end game. Take rejections to your heart. Like, see every audition as a do or die situation. And absolutely not. Do not see it as an opportunity to experiment something new, or to grow, or to make new choices. Be absolutely desperate while you're auditioning because you want to get the part. Not because you want to play a character. Not because you want to empathize with someone who's different than you, but because you desperately want a call back from your casting agent. And forget being in the moment. Don't even be truthful when you're acting in the scene, and constantly tell yourself that, I have to act. Otherwise, how will they know that I can act? And more importantly, hold grudges against people who reject you. Because you have taken your rejections seriously, right? Personally, to your heart. So how can you spare people who have rejected you, even though they have nothing to do with who you are? And when you keep following this pattern without taking a break, that's how you do not become an actor. So that was episode 7 of How to Not Become an Actor. If you have any questions, comments, or anything that you'd like to say about this episode, the previous episode, feel free to drop them in the comments below, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. And until next time, take care.